Hi guys!
Welcome to Davao!
Welcome to Davao.
We are here in Blue Lotus. There 14 hours or 15 hours?
Almost 15 hours
Oh,
of long trip. I was very tired. I look so very bad right now. But we're staying here at Blue Lotus Hotel, by the way, here in Ecoland. So this is close to CFO office in Davao. So we really choose this one so we are able to just walk through because it's really close, like maybe like a minute walk lang. So when you get inside, nadugay pa mi guys kay wa nag-work ang aircon. It's just funny. So here's the toilet. Very fancy and clean. Ayan po. Meron siyang ano tawag ito? Vanity mirror. Sink. Yung shower here. Meron silang mga pa-shampoo dyan, of course. And then towel. And then, ayan o, Blue Lotus Hotel Vanity Kit. Toothbrush, which is really good. Kailangan natin yan. And toothpaste. Ito naman yung Acme. 2 single bed.
I will show you something.
Ay!
We have our alarm clock.
Mag-alarm na siya. Alarm.
I think so.
Meron silang nilagay na Bible. Merong Bible dito, guys. Oh.
Bible and
Maganda kasi dalawa. Pang
For
Muslim
Muslim.
and then pang Catholic. Ayan, nagwo-work na po yung aircon namin, guys. Kanina, finifigure out namin kasi hindi namin alam. Hindi ako nakikinig kanina sa front desk kasi pagod ako, guys. Hayaan nyo na. Maganda yung bed, clean. Single size lang siya, pero we have here a chair and ano bang tawag dito? Table? Lounge? Hindi naman siya lounge. Ay, hindi ko alam. Basta,
CB dining table.
parang pwede ka work dito if you have working table na lang para dali. Basta ka muna yung adjust. And then, and then merong merong mini ref. And then may lagayan dito ng mga things. Meron silang nilagay dyan na hanger. Dyan yung bag ko, backpack, sobrang bigat. And then, meron silang pa-blower, which is really good. And then, meron kaming free coffee. Tea? I don't know. Tea? Sugar and coffee ata, mami? Coffee. It's coffee and then water. And then, eto. Kaya nga, dali natin to sa bahay, guys. Charot. Anong tawag nito, mami? Vault. Para sa, pag meron kang milyones dyan, nadala-dala mo always, may vault dito. My barrel. Babe, if you're watching this video, you know what to do. Ito yung gusto ko talaga na pa-mirror eh. Like whole body. This is what I want, whole body mirror. Are you hungry? We're ready to eat dinner. Nagtitipid kami, guys. So maghahanap kami ng makakainan na hindi. Outfit check, shorts. And then crop top. And then bag. And then sleeper. Outfit check! Si Mami parang parang pupuntang beach. We are here at Ice Giant Dessert and Snack. Uy. Pero marami silang available na food, guys. Kaya nga ako gusto kaani. Nice mo po niyo. Available? Ma'am, available nito na? Okay.
Pari Hungarian.
Ito yung ordering ko, guys. And then, kay Mami ito daw. Hi to the vlog. I'm vlogging. I'm gonna vlog, guys. I'm vlogging. I'm trying to. I told you I'm gonna make a video when I'm here. It's my first time here in Davao. Pagbigyan mo na. Hi guys! Good morning! We're going to prepare because we have to eat our breakfast. I cannot remember what the girl says, but mommy said to me like it's 6 in the morning to 10 in the morning. So we still have time because right now it is 7:22. I'm just preparing, honest, in the shower right now. Tapos na ako, nauna ako sa kanya maligo. Nag-dry lang natin yung ating buhok. By the way, yung Blue Lotus pala guys, they have different facilities here. So if you guys are into fitness, they also have a gym here. Nakita ko naman yung kanina. Meron silang swimming pool, meron silang business center. Skyview Restaurant and Skyview Bar. Sa mga mahilig mag-inom, sa mga mahilig mag-shot. So our OOTD for today's seminar, I'm wearing my, ano bang tawag nito? Blazer or I don't know, overcoat. Korean look na hindi naman tayo Korean but nagpapa-Korean. Fake nga lang. Anyway, so ayan. Nabili ko to sa Shopee guys. Hindi ko na maalala yung store. Pero yeah, I'm wearing this top, crop top na may pa turtleneck and then jeans lang sa bottom and then yung ating shoes. Ito po yung shoes guys. Yung sinuot ko nung nagpunta ako sa review sa US Embassy. Hala, nice. Super nice guys. Ainit nga lang. Mainit. Ato ta mag-as. Pwede mo guro ta musulod dani ram guro. Asan yun? Dani? Free breakfast. Dito ba? Okay, let's eat here, guys. Ay, ayun na nga. Buffet. Buffet nga. Hello, good morning. Yes, po. Let's... Ayan, mami. Oh.
Fried rice.
Nice. Ano yan? Ayan. Pansit stir-fried ganito. Meron silang pa egg. Ano? O, diba? Ako na siya iana ba? Lami lagi ito, mami, oh. Banana cake. So, here's my food. Yan, may pa-fruits. Actually, marami silang choices doon. Meron kami hot chocolate. Let's finish our breakfast today. It's already 9:50 in the morning. We still have time to prepare ourselves, mga documents namin. Lapit lang talaga ng CFO office from this hotel here in Davao. I was really amazed kasi walking distance lang talaga. I wanted to share a little bit about our trip experience. Oh my gosh. Kung alam nyo lang guys, it was fun but at the same time, ang hirap pala. Part of me had regrets on coming here instead of going to Cebu. Hindi siya biro actually. It's not really an easy trip, especially if you're just riding on a bus. Because like us, me and Anne, we are only, riding a bus. So from Oroquieta City to Cagayan and then Cagayan to Davao. So it's actually 15 hours long trip. Almost 15 hours long trip. So we leave Oroquieta City about 2:30 in the morning and then we catch a bus heading to Cagayan like around mga almost 3 in the morning. It was smooth trip. Honestly, I was really happy of that bus kasi sobrang smooth. We can still sleep when we wanted to. My only complaint was when we were already in Cagayan guys, 12 noon. Yesterday, of course, we need to transfer another bus, Cagayan to Davao. That bus is really like unpleasant. And I'm not saying like hindi sila mababait or whatsoever. Yung way, like way to Davao, I don't know. I think the road is bad na. Yung bus kasi nagsishake siya eh. It really hurts my ear, my head kasi talagang nagmo-move yung bus guys, and honestly it's something that I regret coming here, but at the same time part of me enjoyed the view at the same time kasi yung Bukidnon, we passed through Bukidnon guys from Cagayan de Oro to here in Davao. Sobrang na-amaze ako. I was really amazed kasi yung kanilang view, Yung Bukidnon talaga, now I realize why it was called Bukidnon. It was really amazing, except the road. But yung view niya, oh my gosh, ang ganda. Sobrang ganda ng Bukidnon, I swear. By the road, merong mga nagtitinda. There are some people who are actually like selling vegetables. I knew that it was really a fresh vegetables. Just looking at those vegetables, I was like, wow, I mean, how lucky this place is. Kasi sobra talagang na-preserve yung town. Like, mostly talaga nakikita ko sa Bukidnon, they don't have big buildings, but they do have mga bodega. Like, mga bodega, I saw like sugarcane truck. I saw ang laki ng kanilang banana plantation. I saw it by the road while I am in a bus. I saw ang dami guys, actually ang dami strawberry farm. Nakikita ko rin. Nagtitinda sila ng fresh strawberry. I was like, oh my gosh, it's amazing. This place is really nice. Yun nga lang, the downside is yung kanilang road, narrow. Doon ako na parang a little bit scared because of course yung bus malaki, diba? And then yung road nila 2 lanes lang. Sobrang narrow ng road nila doon, guys. And every time, kasi paliko-liko yung daan doon, every time lumiliko yung bus, I was like, oh my gosh, nakaka-scare talaga. And then bangin kasi yung sa side, kasi nga bundok-bundok siya So like yung mga side niya pang-pang, like cliff. So, nakakatakot. And, siguro sanay na yung mga bus driver. Pero ako na hindi ako sanay sa mga ganun. Natatakot ako. But anyway, overall, yung Bukidnon talaga maganda. Maganda talaga siya, guys. Hindi ko pa naman nalibot buong Bukidnon. But, yung nakikita ko lang sa daan, like what I saw while I was in a bus, I was like really amazed. It's super beautiful. Bukidnon is amazing, I would say. And then, yun nga lang, if only I have my own private car, I would love to go to Bukidnon and buy vegetables. Sobrang fresh ng vegetables nila. And makikita mo talaga na sobrang healthy. That's because sobrang green. Madami din po pala silang mga plants. Ang dami nilang plants na binibenta. Nakikita ko lang talaga yan sa gilid ng ng daan. I was like, oh my gosh, ang ganda ng Bukidnon. Gusto ko nga ma-visit yung Bukidnon pero parang wala na tayong time.
Anyways, we are here at the office of Singapore Davao and we're just waiting for them to call us. Kasi naka-ano pala sila guys, may time schedule. So napaaga kami, especially na malapit yung aming room or hotel lang dito sa Singapore. Okay, so I got everything I need. Kulang pa naman yung mga papel ko na dala. Actually, meron akong hindi na nagawa before I came here. So, good thing meron silang tawag dito, photocopy office dito. So, that's really good kasi kailangan pala mag-photocopy ng visa. Visa ng mga kids. Yun yung hiningi ng guard. So, ang ingay po. To be honest, mainit po sa labas.
Ito pala yung view, guys. Nandito kami sa CFO here sa Davao. Ayan. Mommy, hi!
Mommy.
And then, ito yung kaniyang tapat. Yan yung Blue Lotus Hotel. Nasa side lang. And then, nasa 3rd floor kami. 3rd floor. Dito po. Antay na lang kami ng aming schedule. Using my phone. My camera is already dead. No, actually not dead. The storage is already full. Unfortunately, I forgot to bring my card reader so I can transfer other files. Hindi ko siya magamit. Anyway, we are preparing because we have to eat dinner tonight at the Sky View Restaurant. And Annie's putting kilay. Kilay is life.
Yes, of course.
As much as possible, you must define your kilay, guys. Okay, kilay is life. Same kami ng sinuot, actually. Where did we bought this?
SM.
Our plan earlier was to just
Window
shop. And what happened? Whatever happened. So, napabili, guys. So, yung kanya, ito yung, actually, ang brand nito is Woman. Marami to sa SM eh. Kasi meron akong ganito. I mean like, meron akong damit from Woman at ang ganda. Sobrang ganda. It lasted, it lasted for like, I think 3 years na sa akin yun. Nabili ko yun sa Cagayan nung nagpunta ako kay Michelle. Ganyan po guys, pang small laude ang bet. Charot! Maubi yung color ng akin. Kay Mami is mustard. Parehas kami, twinning. We are here again. We're going to eat dinner. Ayan. Wala rapat na nagpa-reserve ang table. Dito yung kapatid ni Ann, by the way. We are going to eat dinner. Hala, lamia sa seafood. Mamay, mura ba rin mong ipangita, oh. Ayan, oh. Shrimp. Shrimp. Here. Ayan po siya, guys. Ito yung masarap. Yung presyo naman niya masarap. Ayan. Ayan, meron kami pa music dyan, guys. Nice. Food is here. Ito na po yung food namin, guys. And then, ayan, oh, buttered chicken. And then, ano ito, mami? Ang katong sinigang. Grabe, guys. Clams. Sarap.
Good food with the good boys.
Naabot na kagkuan. Perform.
Sa Manila, natin ba ang kinkin?
Kami kayo eh.
Guys, maglilila kami.
Super cute. Ito yung mga gustong-gusto ni Mama. Oh.